y'all doing? How y'all doing? Okay, so I'm back with another Mukbang. I'm back with another Mukbang. A Mukbang. So right now, what I'm finna eat, because my fat ass is hungry, is this here. You know the colors. You see it? This big ass bag of Cheesecake Factory Jesus. I got a bunch of stuff in here. I was hungry. These mostly like appetizer stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I got. One of these. Oh Jesus. Oh, it's in the backs. One of these is Tex-Mex egg rolls. I'm hoping that this is it. If I ever go to Cheesecake Factory, which I don't, it's not really my favorite place to go to. But if I do, I get Tex-Mex egg rolls. Jesus, I can't open it. Oh, okay. Yeah. These here is my chicken taquitos. Now I never had these. These kind of look like the egg rolls. Tex-Mex egg rolls. Yeah. So, okay. And I got some fries, and I guess they put them in the in this little thing here. And yeah, I would have started this earlier, but somebody who I know that's important called me, so you can see these fries. Y'all know what fries look like. Ooh, you can't go to get a Cheesecake Factory without getting a cheesecake. I'll tell y'all which kind it is later. And I got a smoothie too. So let's eat. Give me the chicken taquitos. What are these giving? They like this. They look like they just put it all together though. I ain't gonna lie. This is why I don't really go to Cheesecake Factory. They like they just put the shit together like here, there you go. Ow! I got this from DoorDash, by the way. Cheesecake Factory does the DoorDash. Okay, so let's try this first. It's cute. See, when I think of chicken taquitos, I'm thinking they would like be crispier, crunchier. They could have been a bit crispier. Whatever. I still eat it. There's the crunch. Maybe I didn't eat it right away. I'm gonna put the fries in here. Keep them hidden, Jesus. These ain't that many fries, so maybe I'm just greedy. What movie this is? These fries good as shit. These fries good as hell. I will get up, but I ain't got no drawers on. Sorry. TMI. I meant to say pants. I had drawers on. I meant to say pants. I love to eat, Jesus. Food is just so sexy. I love food. Lord, I'm rude. Why I keep doing this? I ain't say my grace, Jesus. Lord, I'm sorry, but I do thank you for this food that I'm about to receive and have already received for the nourishment of my body, Lord. I'm sorry for rushing and eating. I need to get better, Lord. I'm going to do better. But I do thank you for the food that I have received for the nourishment of my body, Jesus. And I do appreciate you blessing me with this meal. And God bless the hands that prepared this meal. And God bless the mouths and stomachs that are eating it, Jesus. Hey! I'm sorry, Lord. I'm going to do better. And I say all these things in your precious name, Jesus, that I pray. Amen. This is so good. They like up, she rocking back and forth. She rocking side to side. It's good, y'all. It's good. I just look how they just threw the shit on there. They could be crunchier. The Amigos is on my TV. Mm. 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 It's like the ends is crunchy. Not as crunchy as I would like it, but that's okay. Alright, y'all. Don't pay me no mind right here. This is what I do when I eat. I sing, dance, move around. Don't judge me. Just let my fat ass enjoy my food. Wait, did I say I had no drawers on earlier? I mean, I ain't had no pants on. Ooh. I just realized I hope I ain't say that. See, I meant to say pants. My bad. Ooh. Oh, well. Eat, Sheree. Yes. I love food. It's so good. Mm. 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 When I created Nor Selects, I looked for real ingredients, for real taste. Absolutely no artificial flavors or preservatives. Selects, real ingredients for real taste. Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. Voluptuous volume. Intense. These fries are good. Feathery soft lashes. This is what paradise looks like. Lash Paradise Mascara from L'Oreal Paris. Take your lash. You just gonna stuff that big ass tequila in your mouth, girl? That's what you just gonna do? Just gonna be fat? Just get that shit. Yep, get it off. Fat ass. So goddamn fat. Mm. Mm. You can't go wrong with a good chicken taquito. Sorry though, these are due. It's Cheesecake Factory, so yeah. I want to make these one day. But I want mine to be crispy. Do I have to deep fry these? Might have to. Make them a little smaller, because the ones I'm used to eating are like smaller and a little longer. That's why I didn't know what this was. That's why I say they kind of look like these Tex-Mex egg rolls. They alright though. They ain't bad. They alright. I should put them in the oven. Mm. Oh well, I was hungry now. Yeah. Love never felt so good, and a dime never could. Not like you hold me. Ooh. How you doing, baby? I can't do it. I don't know what made me sing that song. It just came out. This one feel a little crunchy. Put this whole thing in my mouth. They had played Baps on here earlier. What else is on now? I don't want to watch this no more. I know I said I did, but now I don't. Father Brown. What this is? I don't know. Arthur's on? What? Arthur's on at this time of night? What time is it? What is PBS at night? I love this show. At DW. Hey, girl. The hippocampus. Why am I grown ass watching Arthur, yo? You better teach them about the different parts of the brain. Yeah. Yes.
This is really interesting, but we're kind of in a rush. We're in the middle of an egg hunt, and he can't remember what the last one. You'll have to visit.
Am I the only one that eats like this? That I concentrate on every savor bite. I savor the moment. And I have my eyes closed and I meditate somewhat. And dance and sing and eat at the same time. Am I the only one that does that? Let me know. I don't know.
Just means you're getting batty.
Okay, now we go. Please keep hands at sides while moving through the blood vessels. We are now in brain scans. Very important part of brain which controls body functions, like heartbeat and breathing, and movements in eyes and face.
So what would happen if I press B?
Yes, get that messy wig together. Come through, Shaka. Come through.
This is part of brain where thinking is happening and decisions are made.
I'm getting a message from the Fletcher.
Me now.
Ray wants to go downstairs and eat a cookie. You should wait for that. Wait, I just got a signal that Ray thinks maybe you should wait till after dinner. But he also wants that cookie.
This is so fat.
No, it's just empty calories. Let's go. He needs that cookie now. Look at them. They're like the two. Stop fighting and look for the egg. He wins. Give
Just sit there and eat all day. Well, not all day. That sounds real fat. Sorry. I was talking with food in my mouth. I'm sorry, y'all.
Your brain has many long-term memories.
I remember that. That was when I hit the winning run against Mighty Mountain last year. Oh yeah, and that was for my superstitious phase. Let's move on. Huh? What did
Alright.
that happen?
On to the Texas-Mexican egg rolls. If these taste anything like with these chicken taquitos, it's gonna be a problem. This right here is the shit. It's like an avocado creamy sauce or dip, whatever you want to call it. Got a little stuff in there for these here. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Those Tex-Mex egg rolls didn't look that great.
I still don't remember where I put Pure Full Broca.
We got this too, but I'm probably not gonna use this. I mainly eat these. Oh, they got lamb meat.
My brain was trying to tell me check the
Y'all want to put these on one of them, see what they taste like? I think I will. I'm gonna sprinkle one.
amazing.
These look a little,
You two can share the prize. It's a 2-volume set of circles.
now I'm looking at these. You know like they were dipped in too much grease.
It's a great read.
What the?
Now where did I
I hope I'm not disappointed in the taste. I'm about to find out. Because I hope it tastes like how I remember. Because I ain't been to Cheesecake Factory in like 8 years. And I'm not exaggerating. It's been a long time.
and an umbrella? How many?
Alright, I put that in there. And I'm dipping it in the stuff.
Both kinds. My name is Jelani and I'm in Miss Huddle's 2nd grade class. Who's ready for brain challenge? Today we're doing the first
Mm.
movement memory. We had to
It kind of lost its. It's okay. Oh, there it is. That kick.
next to those cups.
It looks like they overcooked these in grease.
The cups tower is a brain workout because you need to stand it out.
It's not supposed to look like that. They must got new lazy cooks or something. Well, like I said, I ain't been there in like 8 years.
Good at different things.
Uh-oh. You close your eye. I like that little lemon pop. Like that little lime situation. I just thought of something. I don't know if I'm gonna eat. I don't know if I want to eat these. Oh. You ever had your mouth set on something that you know that was gonna be so delicious, and then you all disappointed because it don't look and taste the same? Jesus, that's how I felt right here at this work moment. Oh my God. I'm kind of mad at this.
What are we gonna do on this tiny ship for 8?
I'm mad at this. Yeah, I'm mad at this. Right now, I won't eat no more. No, I'm upset at this. Something told me. See, that's why you ain't been to Cheesecake Factory in a while, because you should have known, right? Well, on to the cheesecake. I'm sure that won't do me wrong. All right. I got the best cheesecake ever. Well, my mom's might be better, but this is still good. Now, this is the banana one. Yeah, this is the banana cream cheesecake. This is one of my favorite cheesecakes to get at Cheesecake Factory. Now, this gotta be good. Okay. This whipped cream. This might be the only whipped cream I like. I'm not a big whipped cream fan. But this will do, because whipped cream just, ugh. This is alright.
No, you're sick. Don't worry, Bree.
Let me bite into this cheesecake, Jesus. Let me bite. Yeah.
The curse. Your sub is gonna need a sub.
I'm not disappointed. Praise God, because I was about to say, alright, Cheesecake Factory, I own some bug. Just, I say I like to say this, I probably won't be getting nothing else from here again. Something told me not to in the first place. But I was like, why not? It's been some years. Maybe they done did something to their menu. I don't know.
What do you think your mom would say to a hot fudge sloppy Joe?
I'd say that I'm probably
It's so good.
but you're hired.
I always wanted to make a cheesecake.
It's not like I'm gonna catch what Arthur has.
My mom made one.
Oh, beans.
One thing I can say about my mama, that lady could throw down in the kitchen. She bakes too. Damn. And, excuse me, she made cheesecake before. I mean, when we was younger, she used to make it. It wasn't that good. But, you know, she kept practicing it. And she finally came across, what's her name? Ida Garten's recipe. That's on Food Network. That little bougie white lady. Barefoot Contessa. That's her name. The lady. Her. She has a recipe for cheesecake. My mother tried that. That joint was fire. So if y'all ever want to go out there and make your own cheesecake, look up Ida Garten on Barefoot Contessa. She'll get you together. Ha! That rhymes.
You have to stir the ingredients and let them marinate in the juices. What's more important, Fern?
It's a little lighter, but it's still good.
If I take a look at it before you hand it in. Every writer needs a good editor. Okay.
Oh, Jesus.
Here's a deal.
I saw it all, you genius. Blaine, I think you're finally going to be...
Oh, hey. Coach just posted the new schedule, and guess whose turn it is to clean the equipment after soccer practice?
The curse.
I know it's just practice, but could you focus? I am focusing. What's another word for cat-like?
I feel like I got the itis.
Can't you help out on the field? Can't you take over washing the equipment for me after practice? Told you.
I'm almost full, ain't that something? Oh, Jesus, you usually don't get full like that. You barely ate. Well, you did have the fries and the taquitos. I'm mad at these Tex-Mex egg rolls. It's like they just had old grease and they all cooked them. They ain't supposed to look like that. How they upset? Mm-hmm.
I'm quite impressed.
You better be impressed.
You're on. Alan, you can go.
Thanks, Bert. I don't know where I'd be without your lyrical style. Lyrical? What do you mean, lyrical? Just that it's very, descriptive. You're saying I use too many adjectives, aren't you? I knew it. I'm starting over. What? No!
Girl, that's not what he said. I was still watching Arthur, y'all. Don't mind me.
So nice and helpful. Now run. I can handle the rest myself.
You want me to put these strawberries in the freezer, Mrs. P?
Out.
Would you help me cross the street?
Oh, help that old lady across the street. All right, last little bite.
You don't have to tip me. Oh, I insist.
The best time to see most meteor showers is late at night.
All right, on to the smoothie, y'all.
No, that's it.
All right, so I don't see a straw in here. So far, I'm not really impressed with what I ate. I felt like I should have gotten something else. I should have, but I decided to give Cheesecake Factory another chance. Jesus. It's the last thing I got. I don't think they gave me a straw. Oh, they did. So I have a straw. This is something with mangoes and passion fruit, Jesus, and pineapples. So I'm finna try this. I'm scared because so far the only thing I really like is the cheesecake. Even though I shouldn't have ate that because I'm trying to, stay away from sweets. That's all. I'm gonna drink hella water after this and detox. Okay. So I'm gonna try to.
Technical difficulties, everyone, but in the meantime, look up.
They're nasty. Wait a minute. Maybe if I shake it up a bit, Jesus. Tastes like water.
There is something else you can count on. Us.
Cheesecake Factory, I'm done with y'all. I'm done. Well, it tastes like, wait, maybe if I shake it up a bit.
Is celebrating by going back. In the ready-to-go 1-hour special, one small snap, and this lunar adventure has a fun sleepover. A sweet set of wheels. And
You know what this tastes like? Y'all ever had those orange juices that was in the little cans, them round cans, and it was like from concentrate and shit, and you pour it in a little pitcher and add water to it. And the only way to make it sweet is if you add some type of sugar to it or something. That's what this tastes like.
It's 7-6 Central on PBS Kids Family Night.
I'm gonna rate them. Like, I ain't like my food. It was overly greasy. Maybe I can get my money back for like the Tex-Mex egg rolls and I'm gonna say the chiquitas.
Mouse.com Early Learning Academy. Proud sponsor of PBS Kids.
I'm over this video. I don't like what I ate. Oh my god, I can't drink this. If I add, I got some stevia. Wait, I might add some stevia to it. Maybe it's stevia. Every day when you're walking down the street, hey, everybody that you meet is a real one of you. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. Learn to work and play and get along with each other. Hey. That's exactly what this tastes like.
Don't you wish you could watch the PBS Kids channel anywhere you want?
What brand was that? Minute Maid?
On a walk? Or on a picnic?
Wait a minute.
All you need to do is tap the
What brand was that? Was that Minute Maid? I don't know what brand it was, but that's what this tastes like. This is not a smoothie. Smoothie's supposed to be sweet and stuff. Come on, Cheesecake Factory, Jesus. Boo! Shit is trash. Let's swirl it around a bit.
It's free. This summer, something new is coming to PBS Kids.
Stop drinking it, girl. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can get my money back for this because I'm highly upset. The cheesecake was probably the best thing I've had so far. I shouldn't have eaten it. I could have done a better job. The fries is cute. Now keep holding it like it's gonna change. Only reason why I so drinking it because I don't want to waste my money. I'm upset. Now I see why I ain't go to Cheesecake Factory in a while.
And our hearts to everyone. That's the true meaning.
Oh well. You live and you learn, alright? So, stop drinking it. Thank you for watching my video. Comment, like, and subscribe. You know, I would appreciate it. You know, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. Spread that love and good energies and whatnot. Bye.